So really, fish and none of the family members will suffer the destruction we God will bring upon the planet Earth. Because when you go through Bible, you will see Noah, you see the wife, you see Noah 3 sons and their wife. You see the rest of the animal the way Noah be select them so that they will continue life and multiply after flood. Fish not be there inside. All the species of fish they will remain there inside water. Now what the fish actually do for gain God the favor that much? No. All the animals suffer, but not only fish you want not suffer this effect. Now say they will be very righteous at the moment. Or now wait till actually happen when God leave them. Spare all their lives. Because fish inside water no fit die. In fact, water no fit kill fish. Too much water no fit ever kill fish. After all, na him be the doer and the doer. Na him know why everything dey happen. But man tell una for this life, no see wetin wey person do, go copy. When you don't know how the person stand. For this life, you see person dey survive for some place, not check say if you ever survive for that particular place. Moral lessons. When these fish them be see lots and lots of dead body them inside water and dead animal them, they really check say now what happen. Huh? Enough for even matter for them because they just consider as food. They will just know say food be there in abundance. And maybe till now they even pray say me another incident like that one occur, me they chop fine. Fish, I not trust una.